We're going to start with the rose oil. I'm using a B3 Balm Squaline oil. Rub it together and press it around your face. And now just with your pointer finger and your middle finger, just tap around your face, around your eyes. When that's done, come together in the middle of your forehead and pull firmly but gently outwards, and then in a circle, and do that 5 times. This releases the tension in the muscles that we hold in our head during the day. It's great if you have a headache or if you're just feeling a little bit tired. Now we're going to do a little bit of a jaw massage. Holding your thumb and your fingers bent, put it along your jaw and slide it along. Our jaw is one of the strongest muscles in our body, and rarely do we ever release those muscles. So this is a good way to do it while also defining that jawline a little bit. Now find that area in your jaw and just give it a good deep massage, one way and the other way. Your roller, I'm using the B3 Balm Rose Quartz. From the middle of your forehead, just roll outwards. And don't forget the temples. To get the most out of this roller, you can put it into the refrigerator so it cools down, and that cool temperature will help to depuff under eye areas gently. So I'm using the smaller area to go under the eye. And we can go inside around the brow bone and just under. And you want to be gentle here, but you also want to increase the circulation around your eye and around this side. This will help to depuff. And the coolness is also very relaxing. It feels great. Flip it around, and with your bit larger side, you're gonna push out and up from the center of your face, out and up. When there is more circulation in your face, your skin has a chance to heal clearly. Another nice area is to roll into this, see this muscle that we have here, and we hold a lot of tension there. So this feels really good to get in there and go a little bit in the back. Side.